Pull him off. I'm hooking him like a big fish.
Now he's biting his toes.
Right. He either misses or he gets it. That's it. No two ways about it. Okay, James, that's
come on
right.
in.
Don't make it work too hard. It's hot.
You see what he's got to grip it. If he doesn't grip it, I take it and she pulls him back.
Okay, now I didn't understand it first. Okay.
Yeah, one more. What is that?
Live here.
Oh my God, he's so strong. Man,
Okay, there you go.
that's a bulldog.
One more. Try to make him miss.
To increase
What
his
is
drive.
his problem? He doesn't
Targeting.
Targeting.
He bounces off.
Bring it to me.
And he does to you every time he goes to
He
the
is
Stay right there,
so
Jay.
Makes it
strong.
look like it's your fault.
Menacing.
Live here.
Ah,
Dead right, right now.
All right, Will. You're going to do it now. You got to learn this, man. This is an important rule of dog training.
Big drive building and target.
That's what I thought it was a drive, right?
Gripping. Gripping, gripping, gripping. Targeting.
If he misses it, he says. That's the last one he has in it. Because he's spitting.
I'm on one. I can't get one.
One more. Woody. That's it. Oh, good one. Good one. Start it over. Start it over.
Come in and do it again.
Start it over.
Real slow.
He don't want to get hit in the face. I don't blame him.
Good one.
all right, Will.
Jamie, dead prey.
Good one. All right. Go let him down.
All right, Will.